Alright, hey guys, welcome back. It's been a long time and I finished this and I haven't showed it to you guys, so I wanted to show you guys this today, so let's come on in. Alright, come on in. So to start off, I was going to buy fly pins, right? But I was like, why not just buy a roll of chicken wire and just cut it up and put it together. So that's what I did. Cost efficient. Alright, let's set this down. So every one is cut evenly to 3 feet. It's 4 feet tall, 3 feet in diameter. So it's perfect for minis and even full-size attire. This is what I have. It's gonna fill up more. I have the cages, a lot of extras. But yeah, this is it. This is gonna be soon to be my showroom. But for right now, it's a mess. It's temporary, just to get the lokai in and the low in. So I still have a lot of cái tụt tụt cái nó kiểu con gà tua nó trồng nó cho nó nhiều cái nó. So how I'm feeding them and how I'm watering them is very minimum, basic budget. So let's go over here. As you can see, that's just a bowl. Leave cold, leave non-balls here. It lasts them. These, my dad would come and feed them, but it lasts them pretty good. So the water, how I do the water is very, very basic, cheap, affordable, and good. Works well for me. I'm not more or just a bottle. The bigger you want, you can. Just scrap wood, plant the bottom of the plant water, the plant pots at the bottom from 99-cent store for probably let's say I think 98 cents. It's 99-cent store. It doesn't go over. Very cheap, very basic. Works well. I make sure to have multiple both sides could drink it. You see how this one's out? It's been a week, this one's out. I still have that one. Just for backup, because còn nó chỉ chấm nhiều cái chân nó hậu thế này thì còn lúc nó ta là chỉ cho lúc sát tỏ đầu lại nó có nhau nó chỉ cho chấm nhiều cái chân nó lò chỉ bao một tỏ chỉ lọ. These autopon nó chấm nhiều cái là chỉ tỏ đấy. They come back and forth. Chỉ tỏ đấy. That's why they're together and whatnot. But cú ít autopon nhau sát tí tỏ chỉ muốn giá đến đây nhau nó sát tí này. And then how I do my feed for the majority. Very simple. Just very simple. It's just a 90-degree angle. Cut, feed, close it, and you're good. The reason why I did 90-degree, they could eat out of it because they have a small comb. Cái thái nó mà cho nó mà nó to nè, nó còn là lúc tao không muốn nó to hổ. Cái đi tôi cái đi lòi chỉ mua ý chỉ tụi ý ở khổ nè. Chỉ chấm nhiều cái thái xí chỉ nhưng nó to sầm bài đấy. They could pick out of it. It doesn't make a mess. Whatever it is, yada yada yada. And let's see, kutu lokai. Thì nó này, mua cho lúc tay khẩu Put it all the way down to the bottom, fill it up, and it's fine. Lasts up to a week. The water's fine. You see how it's just a water bottle. Very simple.